order level traversal, the level order traversal algorithm of binary tree, which is a breadth first search, where you go from you go level by level. Maybe I can just remind you a little bit on my whiteboard right here. So level order traversal, we can have it as this is for example, this is 1, this is this is 2, so guys, level order traversal for us with this example of a binary tree, we'll start from the root node. Sorry, let me use a different shade, different color. We can start with the root node. After the root node, we can visit the left and the right nodes for the root node, belonging to the root node. Then after that, we can now visit the left and the right nodes of this parent node for these two leaf nodes, and then similarly the left and the right nodes for these two the leaf nodes is 3, right? Yeah, so that's how it goes. So how do we solve this problem? They said zigzag, return the zigzag level order traversal of nodes values. So meaning we are being asked to, if I can just delete this, we are being asked to return, we'll be moving traversing this way from left to right, and then from right to left, and then from again left to right, alternating like that. If assuming we had another tree, and we had other nodes down here, that is how we would have gone about it. So that is how we would have gone about it. So we can just delete this. Sorry. Yeah. So guys, how do we go about it? There's so many ways of tackling this question, but I'll just teach you one of them. I'll show you only one of the ways, and it's basically just do around go through the entire, rather go through the steps, the breadth first search steps, implement using a queue, and then at the point of returning the response, at the point of returning the array response, at each level, at every time within that follow, you can reverse the result. Yeah, this will help us avoid so many pitfalls. Yeah, so right, guys, I can go straight into the code. So first thing is just initialize the response. Our response is an array, then our queue, initialize the queue, and then after that, guys, check, we can check if the root node is null. If the root node is null, then we can just return. Then we can now append, or rather add the root node to the queue, and then run the while loop while the length of the queue is greater than 0. We can have initialized the current level being an array. Then we can pop the first node, the node, pop, and then after that we can now check if no, wait, this is meant to be in a for loop. Current length of the queue, then append the node value to the queue, sorry, to the current level result, and then add the rest of the children of this node to the queue. Then I just forgot to initialize the boolean is okay, so we can call it to left. We can initialize as true. Why? Because initially we go from left, sorry. Yeah, so we start with the root node. With the root node, we will start from left and then to right, and then from right to left, and then from left to right, that way. So the end result will be 1, 3, 2, and then 4, 6, 7. So this will be the end result. So this will be end result. So guys, we can now check before appending to before determining whether we'll reverse. So we'll just check if from left is true, then what we'll do, we'll do nothing. We'll just invert it to false, right? False, because it's the normal way of traversing. Else, if it's not true, then we'll, sorry, should be, okay, else we assume that it's not true, so we'll just reverse the elements in the current level, and then we'll now change it from, we'll set it to true. So from left equals to 2. Then finally we will append, not finally, rather we will append our result to the current, to the final result, current level. So if it's not true, if it's true, we can return the response, and then submit and see how it turns out. Oh, sorry. Okay, there's some indentation. We should be good to go. Okay, some typo, but no worries. Okay, some typo. It should be good to go. Thank you guys. As you can see, it's pretty efficient. Time complexity is of n, and space complexity is also of n. Please like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Thank you, and see you next time.